involved in a wreck, a lot of times adrenaline is
Sure.
flowing. You're not sure what to do, so it's good to make a plan before something like that occurs so that you know exactly how you want to respond. So there's some things that you do not want to do. Number one, leaving the scene of the accident. That may sound self-explanatory, but let's just say, as Mike said, there is you're involved in a fender bender that you don't feel like is that big a deal. The adrenaline is flowing, so you're not sure if you're injured or not, and so you just decide to go ahead and leave. You don't want to do that. That kind of ties hand in hand with number 4 of forgetting proper documentation. So you don't want to leave the scene. Stay there at the scene, and also you could get into some additional trouble if you do leave the scene of an accident. So you want to stay there. Do not forget to call 911. Have the authorities come out. They will document it. That's what we're talking about with number 4. They'll document what happened, fill out a wreck report or an accident report. And another thing, as far as how you act, don't lose your cool. Keep your composure. Sometimes it gets a little heated when something happens. Do your best to keep your composure, stay under control. And lastly, don't forget to go to your doctor. Don't forget to get checked out medically and to make sure that you are okay and that you don't need medical treatment. There are not any injuries there. And if there are, then you can go about getting the proper medical treatment. And all of these sort of assume that when you are involved in one of these wrecks, you're going to get out and help and check on the other people involved.
Sure. It's a situation that's ugly. You don't want to be involved in it, and you want to get out of it and away from it as soon as you can. And so if the other guy, let's say it's his fault, says, hey, here's my phone number, I'll call you later, let's just get out of traffic, we're blocking traffic, we'll deal with this later. Don't take that advice. I'm
actually representing someone right now who was involved in that scenario. They were rear-ended. Both people were nice. And the other driver said, here's my information and my phone number. You give me a call and we'll take care of that. You don't worry about it.
Was it real information or was it made up?
It was real information, but people have a tendency not to answer the phone in situations like that. And so that's exactly what you're talking about. You want to call the authorities so that a report can be filled out and insurance information can be swapped.